Hey guys, it's Eva.
And Isaac.
And welcome back to another episode of
Sweet Tooth Crafts.
Where today we have a special guest.
What's up,
Amelia?
Amelia, and she has brought her, what is this?
Mini baking set.
A mini baking set.
So, we're going to be doing tiny baking.
What are we making today, Amelia?
We're making chocolate chip cookies.
They put wheeze on the end of it. Everything. Interesting. Okay. Yes. So we have our little miniature pan. They're gonna be tiny.
We have
a little miniature bowl.
our bowl. We have our miniature mitts for our fingers.
Yep.
Uh,
Yep. And we have giant ingredients. Okay.
A massive thing of
giant ingredients here.
Preheat the oven to 375.
Preheat that oven. Preheat the small oven. Imagine putting this in the huge oven.
7 to 9 minutes. In the
Yeah.
small bowl.
Very.
Move
That's not a small bowl.
In the small bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Flour, we need 8 wee spoons.
8 wee spoons, guys. We can each do.
Oh,
It doesn't split evenly. One, count
Wait, no,
one
you
ham.
can't- you
if you're
pack it down
looking for
too
this, I got it from Barnes & Noble. Also,
Okay.
we're not sponsoring Barnes & Noble.
Yeah.
We
Two.
never
We're
get
not
sponsored.
rich enough for that. Okay. 3.
7.
Nope.
22.
I got it on my hand. You're not getting to put any in, Isaac. Okay, 5.
Six.
Pains me, Amelia.
What?
6. Two more.
And then baking
No,
powder.
Maria, you have to go like this side of it.
1/8 of a wee spoon? How are we supposed to figure out what that is?
They have a 1/8. No, they have
1/4.
You do 2 of these.
No, you do a half.
That's probably why I messed up on my other ones.
Yeah, no, it halves. When it's a bigger number in fractions, it halves. That's fine, I didn't know.
I put too much baking soda in my other one, and
Isaac, it's fine. It's literally a wee spoon, okay? Okay, what's next? Baking powder. So we need a 1/2 of a 1/4. Where's the baking powder?
and then you mix it.
Okay. That was so tiny. That amount was insane. Okay. You need baking soda too.
This is very small.
Stunned.
1. Okay, now stir.
Intense stirring.
And then we use the mixing bowl. Okay.
Yeah, and then
Butter
in the
and
mixing bowl.
We need 3 wee spoons.
No, we need to melt the butter.
Yeah, it's melted. No, it's softened.
Yeah, soft.
Soft.
Butter. Okay.
You know what, guys? I'll review your cookies.
Okay, yeah, sure.
He's offering to review our cookies when we're done.
Hey, we're doing all the
Fair
work to bake
time.
that. That means we get to eat it. That means you'll be biased.
So I'm officially opening a Roblox channel, and it's called Strawberries Roblox Rampage. So you should
Yes, go follow, guys. Go subscribe. I'll put
Yeah.
the link in the comments below.
stop
Flour is
tilting it. Let me go.
delicious.
Okay. You're like.
Don't you dare. It's literally.
Let's have it.
Okay.
Why are you playing with my?
Guys, what's next?
Then over your big fat head. Sugar, and then just sugar, bread,
I'm gonna watch.
bread and sugar. I don't know.
Add egg and vanilla to the butter. Oh, butter and blend the butter and sugar. What do you mean blend it?
No, yeah. But I did
Use an
see
electric
I
blender?
did see a mini electric whisker at
That
the-
would be insane.
But I could only get one
Oh
thing.
my goodness, this is not gonna work.
And then Pastor bought a $300 Lego.
In my defense,
Yum.
That's a little intense.
we really should
I'm
have
learning about rabies.
rabies.
Ratios.
Ratios.
Yeah, ratios. Now,
Vanilla and egg.
vanilla and eggs into that.
We need 3
Vanilla.
teaspoons of egg.
Where's the
Okay, I'm gonna wash this out.
No shells.
Yep. The
I'm
entire
a
eggshell.
professional. I know I look like
Eggshells
I'm
are
not.
good for you.
Wait, where's the little spoon? Isaac!
Okay, there's 1 wee spoon. 1, 2,
Vanilla.
3.
How much vanilla? We need 1/4. That's.
Oh my gosh.
1/4.
Don't even try it. You'll spill everywhere. Don't.
I need to put it on the side of the counter so I can actually do it.
Nah, it's gonna.
Stop. I just-
That's crazy. Okay. We got it.
After that, vanilla. Add flour slowly to the mixture.
Oh jeez. Yeah, you can help that. Come on.
That's
Don't
good.
spill it, don't spill it.
Oh, we have to cut up.
Yeah, we do. They're gonna be giant. They're gonna be like the entire cookie is gonna be a
I'm
chocolate
going to cut them now.
chip. That's not how it works. Here, everyone can cut some. I wanna do it. We can all do one. We're 2 people, let's go.
Good job.
I'm gonna start cleaning up.
This is how it's looking. Very beautiful. You see the chocolate chips? I can't even tell if you can see. Can you? Oh, there. How beautiful. The lighting over here is horrible.
Yep.
I need to stop giving the bombastic side-eye. Use a spoon, divide the dough into 6 tiny spaces. 6.
You each get 2, guys. Not even a full cookie. You better come over here. You need to make a special appearance if you want chocolate chips. Perfect. Here. Guess which one's Isaac's? Wait, if I position it correctly, it actually looks like it's on top of the oven.
Yeah, it looks like it's massive.
Not to burn our little thingies.
I don't even think you
I
need
burned
that.
my finger when I was making the other one and it still hurts. Shot glass.
Let's just take the shot glasses. They'll have tiny. Actually, they'll be giant.
This
compared
is
to the
not
cookies, but-
appropriate for kids. We cannot be
Well, the shot glasses are milk.
Come here. That's awfully close. Get the good
All right.
angle.
Look at that. Look at how expanding. How expandy. How much they're expanding. You know, I can English, but I don't want to. Yo, you're already a special guest. Hi.
What? Wait, you know what distracted me? I was getting a high total.
Oh my god. I am so sorry,
I
bro.
want this one.
Yeah, you should be sorry. You made me lose.
That was a shot.
Are you okay?
You died.
Oh no. So everyone gets 1 1/3.
Well, I mean, I guess. Because we could cut
1
it.
1/16.
Which? Put that down. Put that down. Put that down.
Wait, is it burn proof? Is it?
Yes.
Oh,
It's hot, man. Hey!
Give me
You're gonna
the-
burn your finger again. They're warm. Dude, wow. Okay, we cut those ones. Nice. 4 halves and 4. Yeah. Okay.
Amazing mathematicians.
This one is
We're
mine.
going-
This one's Isaac's.
These are not
We're
technical
going big
places.
places.
Wait, did you
Wait,
just
what?
say the same thing?
Here is our homemade plates. Wow.
Paxton.
And
So you don't know.
we all take.
Serve,
Okay.
serve. You
Wait,
can-
is
Hi,
it tossed?
I am making a
Yes.
guest appearance.
No.
Hola.
Okay, so you just take that 1 1/2. I'm gonna take my milk and
This
cookies
works.
over to the camera.
Where's the milk? I mean, the small glasses.
The shot glasses.
Yeah.
Where are they? I don't know where they are.
Is there a alcoholic liquid that looks like
No.
vinegar?
You don't drink straight vinegar. I'm sorry.
This is the right milk?
Do we vodka? Yes, raw milk.
Oh, alcohol.
Oh, okay. That was the Freemason cup. It's fine.
A 9 out of 10. It was kind of dry. But otherwise, it was good.
Yeah.
Worth
This,
the $20.
this one I'm gonna dip. This
Not as
one I'm gonna
flavorful.
eat plain.
Okay.
Mine was pretty flavorful. It had a chocolate chip on top. 8 out of 10. Maybe.
It's pretty dry and not as flavorful as a normal chocolate chip cookie. You could definitely make them moister.
It was dry and it was pretty flavorful for me. Probably because
I didn't get any chocolate chips for myself.
probably because my mouth noticed the flavor more because like I'm starving.
Okay.
I'll
Sorry,
give
this
it
man.
an 8 out of 10.
Okay. I think I would say solid 8 for everybody. Yeah.
Why is your phone white? Wasn't it pink?
It is pink.
What?
Anyways, we're gonna give it a solid 8.
No.
Stay.
Please.
Second Amendment rights. Anyways.
Second Amendment, right?
I forgot our outro. So,
Hey guys, it's Isaac.
no, that's it. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you guys next time. So, peace.
No. I need to, like,
Bye.
go.
Get out!